I truly believe in Le Wagon's community because Le Wagon's community actually gave me everything. I work with people from Le Wagon every day. We program together every day. And whenever you go in the world, everybody is really happy to meet you.
Even if they're in different cities, if I know one person will be in that city, I'll call them up and just hang out in Hong Kong, Berlin, wherever. I really think we made lifetime friends.
The Wagon community is unique because of how each person in the community supports and helps everyone else grow. For instance, sometimes I might understand a topic that we're learning a little better than my classmate. And in that case, I'll help them and bring them up a bit. But I know that later on, when I'm struggling, my classmate is really grasping onto it much faster. I know that they can help me.
So you come in here and you'll realize everyone in this camp are really committed to learning. And after the camp, you'll realize that we're still a tight-knit community that help each other out.
The camp really pushed me outside of my comfort zone, and I ended up working on many things that I thought I wouldn't be good at, but I had to push through, become good at them, and in that way I really surprised myself, and that was really empowering and made me build confidence in ways that I hadn't expected, and I really value that.
From my experience, Wagon draws and attracts a certain type of person. It's the person that wants to change their career, it's the person that's curious and wants to learn a new skill set, it's the person that wants to build something, it's the person that wants to start their own enterprise. So once you get all of these, this personality type into a room, you really see a lot of support. Because this boot camp, it really is a boot camp. I mean, you're coding for 8 hours a day, you're really pushing yourself to your limit in terms of learning this new material, and it's not easy.
You look around, you see people just as confused as you are. And at that point, you guys have established a bond. And before you know it, at the end of 9 weeks, you have a group of 20, 30 best friends going through the same thing you are and tackling the same issues you're about to tackle.
Actually, honestly, I did not believe in boot camps. But here in Shanghai, after experiencing Le Wagon, I was actually very positively surprised. And for me, it is not only about the technical skill set. It is that Le Wagon managed to get a bunch of people that are super smart, super diverse, with the ability to learn very fast. Because at the end of the day, coding and engineering is about being able to learn super fast on the job when you have new problems or new frameworks or whatnot. And that's actually the key part of any really good software engineer.
Ready, set, code!
Level up!
Come to China.
改变你的人生，学习变成
Будущее за IT.